Music stopped. Headphones were Emma's world. Silence fell. She looked out window. World so quiet, she whispered, removing broken headphones. Nothing, only silence. Max found her lost. Let's walk, he suggested. Hear life. Without soundtrack, Emma felt uneasy and quiet. Walking, Emma's senses awakened. Street different, she observed. No beats, lyrics, just real sounds. Passing bakery, wow, never noticed. Bread scent wafted. Park alive, kids laughing, dogs chasing, talks. Melody from guitarist on bench. Emma paused, smiling. Music feels alive, she murmured. After repair, Emma's music back. She sat on bench, listening to world. Music again, but today saw world, smelled bread, heard sounds, felt peace. She reflected. Sun dipped, sky orange-pink.